Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Peacock app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. So the first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your TV, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then go ahead and replug it back in. What you've done is just a soft reset of your TV, so check and see if the Peacock app works after that. If not, you could actually go into the quick settings option, which is located right over here. Click on all settings on the top right, then scroll down, and then where it says system, click on system. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says restart, go ahead and click on restart. So that's going to go ahead and restart your TV and check and see if the app works. Now, if the app still continues to not work, you can click on the home button, go back to the home page, and then highlight the Peacock app, press and hold the center button here, and then click on view in Play Store, and then go ahead and uninstall the app. So go ahead and uninstall it and then reinstall it and check and see if the Peacock TV app works then. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the Peacock TV app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.